to be going over a project example of a password, which we use string manipulation, string indexing, and inputs and input manipulation. You may wonder why I have so many projects inside the videos where I've been showing off the things that we're going to be using here. It's because there is very rarely a project for just one thing. This project alone is a very simple one, but it goes over 4, maybe 5 other things. But you really need projects which show multiple, because there's never just one for one. Now, let's start with some of the main inputs. Actually, scratch that, let's name the project first. You should always name your projects, because if you don't name your project, then you can't find it throughout your project. So let's just name this password project example. A very simple thing, password project example. So you're scrolling down your projects, you're thinking, where's that password one? Bang, you can select this. Very simple. So let's take the name. Name is a very good thing for a password. Name equals input. Enter a name. Very simple thing. Now it's going to take the name. So the password thing for the end, so we can show the password. Password. Now, this in the end will help. I'm just getting it done now because the next input, what should it be? Birth year? Maybe. Favorite number? Maybe. Why not both? So let's start with birth year. This is where the input manipulation comes in, because you cannot have an integer and then add it to a string. So we're going to need to have a string for the input. I know it automatically goes to a string, but it's easier if you specify it as a string when you're putting in integers, because with some programs it can actually just register that as an integer. Very rarely though. That's why in the video I was showing off, I said that it wouldn't, because it's 1 in 10, but a 1 in 10 is unreliable enough that you should at least have a failsafe. So just naming it as a string specifically. So, birth year. Let's do enter the last 2 digits of your birth year. Just make sure this is nice and flat. Now we have 2 things. Birth year and the name. Very simple, very nice. You could possibly make a password out of this. So you could have Jim Bob 92, Johnny 87. It would be fine, and it would work. Let's try something else. So, for that name, we could maybe take the first 3 letters, take the first 4 letters, put them at the beginning. Then you'd have, for the name Johnny, you'd have John 87 Johnny, or something. You'd have anything like that. And it would make it not uncrackable, it would make it very hard to crack. And for a simple password thing just here, it's very reliable. So let's do that. Let's do, well, actually, like I said before, the favorite number. I think I forgot about it. Right. Now, we could do many things. So let's just say do fave num, then name dot title, is the name, and then the birth year. Now, for the name Johnny, 82, and let's say the favorite number is 17, you'd have 17 Johnny 82. It's a pretty good password. Let's do it like before, the name manipulation. So, let's do name start equals name 0. This is a string manipulation. Plus name 1. Plus name 2. Now, it works much the same with this and that, where it's going to start one integer beforehand. So 0 is the first letter, 1 is the second, 2 is the third. That's just how it goes. Nothing you can do about it. So let's do name star. Now, we want it to be the same as the type. So let's do .open. Now, let's see the password that we have with that Johnny example. Johnny. Last 2 digits was 82. That's what it's been before. His favorite number was 17, wasn't it? So we have Jo 17, Johnny 82. If you saw a password, if you were trying to figure a password for your friend named Johnny, would you choose that? No. And that's what the point of this project is. It takes quite a few things to make the password. But the password is not what you're using the project for here. Using the project to test your knowledge, right? Your knowledge on the string manipulation with the name start, the knowledge on string addition with the name start, fave num, name title, birth year, and the knowledge on inputs and input manipulation. It's a very, very good project for the simple basics. Now, you always gotta save your project, like always, and that's all it is for today. Now, thank you for watching. I do hope you learned something. Please have a good rest of your day.